Hi, I'm Reagan,
And I'm Dana.
and we're here to give you the lowdown on all of the updates here at Planning Center.
Stop number 1, our newly designed integrations page. Here you can find other helpful tools that work alongside Planning Center. Most of these integrations were built using our API, which allows companies and churches to create programs that talk directly to our products. Each integration has its own page where you can find out more about who made it and learn how their features work with Planning Center.
The Church Center app gives your congregation lots of ways to get connected. And now it gives adults the ability to update profile information for everyone in their household. It's always been easy for admins to update people's profiles, but it hasn't been easy to know when those updates are needed. Now, any adult in the household can use the app to make changes themselves, from adding a new phone number to updating a medical note.
Over in People, you can tailor forms to each person by adding conditional fields. Let's say your church's communication card has a box that says, "I'd like to serve." If someone checks the box, a drop-down appears that asks them, "Where do you want to serve?" If they choose the band, another drop-down asks them, "What instrument do you play?" And in this case, they pick the vuvuzela. Don't call us, we'll call you.
Speaking of sweet, sweet sounds in your ear, let's buzz on over to services. When you need to import a template, the new pop-up allows you to import that template into many plans at the same time. So if you create a new template or make changes to an existing one, you can get that template into all your future plans with just a single step. When you need to add a time, that pop-up is sporting a fresh look too. The new design makes it easier to choose which of your teams are assigned to that time, by always putting the teams that you lead at the top of the list.
Are these lights supposed to be off?
There's one more thing for services!
Oh, services got dark mode. Is that the joke?
Yeah, see? It's so dark, and it doesn't hurt your eyes, and it's great.
I love it, but can we get the lights back on? Let's shine some light on resources where we've rolled out new tools to help you find what you're looking for. On the calendar page, you can now filter by rooms and resources. So if you need to record a video in the middle school room, you can see all the events happening in that room and all the times the video gear is in use and zero in on the perfect date for your shoot. When you need some quick info, the event preview now shows you the rooms and resources that have been requested for that event. And each item is color-coded based on its approval status, so you can even check on approvals right here on the main calendar page.
Hey, can you wrap up? I need to practice.
Well, that's all we have for you today. I hope these updates were helpful to you in your ministry. Thanks so much for stopping by.